If you've ever wanted to capture those impossible angles that traditional cameras just can't reach, mini-action cameras are absolute game changers. We're talking helmet mounts, pet collars, chest rigs, and magnetic mounting that lets you stick these tiny powerhouses practically anywhere. Today we're breaking down the 5 best mini 4K action cameras available right now, and I've got to say, the results might surprise you because the most expensive option definitely isn't the winner here. All the product links are down in the description, so let's dive in. First up is the DJI Osmo Nano, and this is where things get really interesting. What makes this camera stand out is the professional-grade features you're getting at a mid-range price point. We're talking 10-bit color depth and D-Log M color profile, which are capabilities you'd normally only find on cameras costing twice as much. The sensor captures 4K at 60 frames per second, plus 4K slow motion at 120 frames per second, and the rock-steady 3.0 stabilization is phenomenal. One feature that really impressed me is the Osmo audio technology that connects directly to DJI microphones without needing a separate receiver, and you can even connect 2 mics simultaneously for interviews. Now, here's the trade-off. This camera runs warm during extended indoor recording sessions, typically around 25 minutes at 4K 60 frames per second before needing a breather. Think of it like your camera asking for a coffee break every half hour. However, when you're actually using it outdoors with movement and airflow, the thermal management works beautifully. Imagine you're mountain biking down a trail on a sunny afternoon. The wind rushing past the camera keeps it cool, the stabilization smooths out every bump, and you're capturing professional-grade footage that you can color grade later to match your creative vision. This camera is perfect for content creators who edit their footage and want professional color grading capabilities without breaking the bank. Moving to the premium end of the spectrum, we have the Insta360 Go Ultra. This camera commands a premium price point and it delivers in some very specific areas. The standout feature here is low light performance. That larger sensor captures significantly more light than its predecessor, and the pure video mode makes evening and dusk shooting actually viable where smaller cameras struggle. At just 53 grams, which is about 36% heavier than the Go 3S we'll talk about later, the versatility is remarkable, and the flow state stabilization delivers that gimbal-smooth footage for motorcycling and cycling. While the marketing highlights extended battery claims, real-world 4K recording delivers around 40 to 70 minutes standalone, extending to about 2 hours with the Action Pod. The Action Pod itself is only splash-resistant rather than fully waterproof, which limits its versatility for water activities. What really matters here is understanding this camera excels at low-light scenarios and ultra-compact mounting situations. If you're shooting a lot of evening content or need the best nighttime performance, this delivers. For daytime shooting where most people operate, there are better value options in this lineup. Now, let's talk about something brand new and genuinely innovative. The GoPro Lit Hero just launched with a feature I honestly can't believe nobody thought of sooner, a built-in quad LED light array. This is GoPro's first camera with integrated lighting, specifically designed for vloggers and self-facing content. The light offers 3 brightness levels and works even when the camera is charging. Plus, you get 4K 60 frames per second capability and GoPro's legendary waterproofing. Here's the honest assessment. This camera literally just started shipping, so we don't have extensive real-world validation yet. However, there's one puzzling design choice. No front display despite being marketed for self-facing content, so you'll need to frame shots using the rear screen. You won't exactly win framing contests on your first try, but the built-in light innovation genuinely fills a real gap in the market. This is particularly appealing for anyone creating nighttime vlogs or low-light urban content, though it's worth waiting for more user reviews before making your final decision. Speaking of proven performers, the Insta360 Go 3S represents the previous generation that's still widely available at a mid-range price. At just 39 grams, it truly disappears when mounted, making it noticeably lighter than the Go Ultra we discussed earlier. The magnetic Easy Clip system works brilliantly on baseball caps and pet collars. The built-in storage means you'll never face that frustrating moment of forgetting your memory card, and the 4K video quality represents a significant jump from earlier models. The interval recording mode is genuinely clever for all-day documentation, automatically capturing footage throughout your adventure and using AI to create highlight reels. The compact size does mean shorter recording times, typically around 30 minutes standalone for 4K footage, extending to about 2 hours with the Action Pod. Unlike the Geo Ultra, this one includes built-in storage and costs less, making it the sensible choice for most casual users who don't specifically need enhanced low-light capabilities or 60 frames per second recording. This is the camera for creative mounting situations, travel documentation, and anyone who wants hands-free POV footage without the complexity. Finally, let's talk about the SJ-Cam C300, which represents the true budget entry point in this category. The full kit includes everything: waterproof case, mounts, helmet bases, remote control, and extensive accessories that would cost significant money separately with premium brands. The modular dual touchscreen design is compact at 55 grams, and here's where this camera genuinely shines: battery life. The dual battery system delivers around 3 to 4 hours of actual 4K recording, which absolutely crushes every other camera on this list for extended shooting. While the DJI Osmo Nano needs that coffee break every 25 minutes, this one keeps recording for hours. The stabilization handles walking and casual hiking well, smoothing out everyday shake effectively. Now, let's be honest about what you're getting at this price point. The 4K output doesn't match the crispness of premium cameras, and low-light performance shows some grain. The stabilization works great for casual use, but won't handle extreme mountain biking with the same smoothness as DJI systems. Think of this as your starter camera or backup unit. It's perfect for someone beginning their YouTube or TikTok journey, parents buying for teenagers to learn on without breaking the retirement fund if they drop it, or as a dashcam where pure image quality matters less than having reliable recording. So let's break down who should actually buy which camera here, because the right choice depends entirely on your specific needs. For content creators who edit their footage and want professional color grading capability, the DJI Osmo Nano delivers exceptional value with 10-bit color at a price point that's honestly hard to believe. If you're shooting evening content or nighttime vlogs frequently, the Insta360 Go Ultra justifies its premium positioning specifically in that low-light scenario where it genuinely excels. For travelers who want ultra-compact size with proven reliability, the Insta360 Go 3S offers the lightest weight at 39 grams and most versatile mounting with built-in storage that prevents memory card disasters. The GoPro Lit Hero brings genuine innovation with that built-in lighting for night vloggers, though you'll want to wait for more real-world validation before committing. And for absolute beginners or anyone wanting the longest battery life with realistic expectations, the SJ-Cam C300 provides honest budget performance with everything included. The key insight across all these cameras is that battery life claims are consistently optimistic, so plan for real-world runtime being 30 to 50% shorter than marketing numbers suggest. Overheating affects several models during extended indoor recording, though outdoor use with airflow dramatically improves this. And those waterproof ratings? They typically apply to the camera unit only, not the extended battery modules, so verify what's actually waterproof before planning your underwater documentary about competitive synchronized swimming. Remember, the best camera isn't the one with the biggest spec sheet, it's the one that actually matches how you shoot and what you need. Make sure to check out those product links down in the description. And if this breakdown helped you figure out which camera fits your needs, hit that subscribe button for more honest gear reviews without the marketing fluff.